Good evening, everyone. You know what this is, right? I'm holding that phone terrible, blocking the view. Yeah, you know what this is, right? This is the giveaway info. Yeah, just we had to do this on video because I was trying to do it live and something kept happening. So it's gonna be a little late, but you'll get it before the end of the night, I'm sure. So welcome back to my channel, and thanks for all who join in and who has been watching my videos and helping me to grow. All right, so we're gonna get into it. All right, and the winners are, give me that paper, give me the first one. The first one is Sin Sissy, C-Y-N, Sin City. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Sin City. Okay, that's the next one. The next one is Zenzi Makeba. Zenzi, I think I remember. Zenzi Makeba. All right, so those are the two winners. Sin City and Zenzi Makeba. For the others of you who entered and didn't win, I have some complimentary gifts for you. But I wanted to say one thing before I did all that. One person has been hounding me all day to find out if they won. They just joined my channel just to get the giveaway. And I don't like that. And I should have said that in the beginning, that if you just join the channel, you might not get it. But I didn't want to deter people from joining, because I appreciate it. Join the channel because they want to see videos or for some reason or the other. But one person, because he sent me messages on Facebook and 5 messages on my page on YouTube since morning. And that's disgusting. People need to just wait and see who will win. I have some complimentary prizes, and I'll just look for the names right here. And also, just to mention, I'm gonna do another giveaway in June, in 6 months. June is my birth month, so I just feel like doing another giveaway. Okay? And yeah, I just feel like doing another giveaway in June. I appreciate everybody. I don't know what the prize is gonna be yet, but that's what it's. I'm gonna do another giveaway. No, I have some honorable mentions here. You can sit down. This is City. If you remember, she don't want to come on camera because she didn't comb her. You all right? You want to go on camera? No, she don't want to go on camera. Say the name. All right, I'll just you pick them out already. So anyway. Precious Mint. I'm gonna give you the class anyway. Precious Mint. You'll get a class. We'll have to decide how we're gonna I have a phone number. You see a piece? Give me that piece of paper, please. Thank you. All right. Now, anybody want to get in touch with me? I mentioned this before, but here are the numbers. This is a Google number. You can leave a voicemail or just messages. It will repeat to me in words, whatever you say. 347-370-9389. That's my Google voice number. Leave a message there with any phone number, voice, email, or whatever. So, all right, back to Precious Mint. Yes, I'll give you a free class. I noticed that you do cakes or something, or you want to learn more. Whatever I know that you want to know, I'll give it to you. I'll help you out there. And it's a class for 1 hour. Okay? All right. Joyce Graham also gets a 1 hour class. All right. Who is this other? Pretty in Pink. I think that's the lady who said she's from Brooklyn and she can't get certain foods. You know, I moved from New York to Georgia, and I also can't find certain things. But if you look back at one of my video, Nikki, you'll see where I went to this place called Nam de Mon, right? Nam de Mon. And we found lots of Caribbean stuff there. So I'm gonna see, maybe I'm thinking pig's tail, because I can't send fish and stuff like that unless it's codfish. But I'll find pig's tail for you or something else. Let me know what else you would prefer. Mr. Fett, oh my gosh, Mr. Fett, you're wonderful. I know you love my pepper videos. And I have lots more peppers, and I'm gonna send you some. So I need your address. So call the number and leave your address. Contact me on Facebook or what other way is there? Anyway, I'll post underneath. Huh?
Can you comment, but you just don't show the comment?
Yes, he can comment. They all can comment underneath this video.
But you just won't show it.
No. I'll see it. Opal fruitcake. Girl, I love you. I wish I was close. I would get to meet you. You sound like my kindred spirit. You're a kindred spirit. I'm sure we could be good friends. But I don't know. You live in Jamaica, and I don't know what I can give you. So maybe I don't know. I'll think about it. Just make a comment under this video, and you can always contact me at the number 347. What's that number? 347-370-9389. You can always contact me. All right. So those are the two people. So give me it again, Sydney. The people that won.
Sin City and Zenzi Makeba.
I said Makeba. But she knows who she is. Those are the two out of 4 because only 4 people qualified. So I think that's the lot of it. Opal, Mr. Fed, Pretty in Pink, Joyce Graham, and Precious Mint. So contact me to see what I have for you. I think that's the end of that. As I said, I'm doing another giveaway in 6 months. Hopefully I'll be like at 5,000. I'm very near to 3,000 now. And thanks all who referred anyone to my channel, who watch my videos. I cannot say thank you enough because without you, I wouldn't bother with videos, because you watch and comment. And any video you want me to make, any food you want me to menu, recipe, whatever you want me to do. I did a video yesterday I did my kids' dinner, and I'm gonna fix it tonight, and I'll upload it tomorrow. And it's how to make what was it, Sydney? What we had last night? Meatballs.
Yeah.
Chloe and I made the meatballs.
I was gonna say the pastry you made on Friday. I forgot that wasn't yesterday.
Yesterday we did the meatballs with spaghetti, and made my own spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. Anyway, thanks guys. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. I think my hair was showing. My real hair. Anyway, talk to you soon. So the mixers that you're gonna get are the blue or the white. So you choose. Let me know which one. Blue or red. Made a mistake. Blue or red. Okay? Either one of those. And let me know the winners. Please let me know which color you prefer. Post below and contact me with your address, because I'll need your address to ship it to, and it will be shipped directly from Amazon. Don't forget, I'll have to go there and enter your address and have it shipped. Thanks again. Bye.